Welcome. Today we learn what a vector is, an ordered list of numbers that can name a point or name an arrow. This matters because every feature row, every move between points, and every parameter update in engineering maths starts as this one object. By the end, you will read 2, -1 as both a landing and a move, see why swapping the order lands somewhere else, and compute displacement, distance, and midpoint from 2 points. A vector in Rn is an ordered collection of n real numbers. The order is not decoration, it is part of the object. The first slot and the second slot play different roles, so the same two numbers in a different order are a different vector. Before you do any geometry, fix the axes. Coordinate 1 means the first number here, how far right from the origin. Coordinate 2 means the second number here, how far up or down if it is negative. Units and order stay fixed for the whole lesson or the picture lies. Point view first. Read 2, -1 as the point you reach from the origin, 2 steps along coordinate 1 to the right, and 1 step along coordinate 2 downward because that second number is negative. The ordered pair is the address of that landing. Arrow view next. The same ordered pair can name the move that takes you from the origin to that point, a displacement vector drawn as a gold arrow. The sentence around the pair tells you which role it has, a landing or a move. Nothing in the numbers themselves chooses for you. Now the trap. 2, -1 and -1, 2 use the same two numbers, but they are different vectors. Swapping the slots would land at a different place, 1 left and 2 up, not 2 right and 1 down. The figure you are watching is 2, -1. The swapped pair is not this arrow. To go from one point to another, subtract. Call the start P and the end Q. The displacement vector from P to Q is Q minus P. End minus start coordinate by coordinate. We will use P at 2, -1, the point we have been drawing, and Q at 8, 3. Find the displacement vector from P at 2, -1 to Q at 8, 3. Subtract coordinate by coordinate. 8 minus 2 is 6. 3 minus -1 is 3 plus 1, which is 4. So Q minus P is 6, 4. The displacement from P to Q is 6, 4. The trap, adding the points or reversing the order to P minus Q, swaps the geometric job. That is a different arrow. Turn 6, 4 into a length. The distance from P to Q distance is the length of that displacement vector. The square root of 6 squared plus 4 squared. 6 squared is 36, 4 squared is 16, and 36 plus 16 is 52. So the length is the square root of 52, which simplifies to 2 root 13, about 7.21. The distance from P to Q is 2 root 13, about 7.21. The trap, treating 52 as already simplified, or adding the two entries instead of summing the squares, both miss the Euclidean length. Find the midpoint between P and Q, the point halfway along the same ordered pair used as an arrow a moment ago. Average each coordinate. 2 plus 8 is 10, half of 10 is 5. -1 plus 3 is 2, half of 2 is 1. The midpoint is 5, 1, a point, not an arrow, even though we use the same numbers. The midpoint is 5, 1. The trap. The same ordered pair can be a point or an arrow. The sentence around it tells you which role it has. Reading 6, 4 as a point named Q, or averaging into a displacement, mixes the two roles. A vector is an ordered list that can name a point or an arrow. 2, -1 is both, and swapping the order is a different object. Displacement is Q minus P. Distance is the length of that arrow. Midpoint averages each slot. Comment below with one thing that still confused you. That feedback shapes the next lesson. Subscribe so adding and scaling vectors lands in your feed. Then open this lesson in the ExamMaster app and continue while it is fresh.